So you built your gaming PC, but now you have the daunting task of cable managing and plugging things in. I'm gonna help you out. First things first, have a couple of supplies ready. Lots of zip ties and something to cut the ends of the zip ties with. When you're plugging everything in, kind of have everything separate. So the power supply cables, the case, front header and whatnot, have everything separated and plug things in strategically. And one thing to keep in mind is we want the front of the PC to look the best. So make sure that you find every short way possible to run a cable. The first thing I suggest doing is shoving as many extra cables as you can into the basement. By putting those extra cables in the basement, everything looks a lot more manageable. So now we're gonna go ahead and start using some zip ties. And I always start from the top and work my way down towards the power supply basement. I always tell people to leave the very bottom area, the power supply basement, pretty loosely cable managed, just because if you ever need to do any troubleshooting or upgrades, you're really not gonna wanna have to go deep inside the basement to cut a bunch of zip ties. I would say this definitely gets a thumbs up.